Have you ever thought about how hard it used to be to become successful? Like, people thought you had to work nonstop for years to build $1 million business, and even longer to become a billionaire. Like, there was a time when becoming a millionaire was like climbing Mount Everest. It took years of grueling effort and sacrifice. Building $1 million business? That was a pipe dream reserved for the lucky few. And billionaires? Forget about it, that was a lifetime's worth of work, minimum. But nowadays, it's like the game has changed. Becoming a millionaire? Piece of cake. It's not even that hard anymore. It's like the barriers have been lowered and the path to success has been paved with gold. In the old days, people got paid for what they did, their skills, their knowledge, their hard work. But now, people are getting paid for who they are. Your personality, your brand, your social media following, that's where the money's at. It's like a magic portal that's opened up a whole new world of opportunity. Suddenly, anyone can become someone important, even if they're nobody. All you need is a little skill, a little passion, and a little hustle. Even a poor person can become an influencer these days, as long as they can show off their talents and connect with people online. It's a brave new world out there, and the possibilities are endless. That's why I'm here with the strategies and ways which you can use in today's world to monetize your skills and hobbies. Like, literally after watching this video, you will have the way, or I can say a roadmap in your mind to turn your passion into profits. So, let's get started. But before we dive deep into the ways of making you rich, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Number 1, identify your profitable niche. You need to identify your profitable niche. Like, what are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What problems can you solve for others? Once you have a clear idea of your niche, you can start creating products or services that cater to that market. This could be anything from writing, designing, coding, or even playing music. Whatever it is, make sure you're passionate about it, because that's what will drive you to succeed. You need to know that now we live in an attention economy. Who has the largest trusted audience wins in life. You need to learn how you can garner attention using your hobby and skill. Once you do that, then money is not a hard thing to earn. So the first thing you have to do is what things you'll use to garner that attention that will make you money. Like, what is that one skill you're best at? What is the one thing you can talk about for the rest of your life, and you will never get tired when you figured that out? Your next call should be building a social media presence. Social media is a powerful tool that can help you reach a massive audience and build a following. But it's not just about having a lot of followers, it's about engaging with them and building a community. Here are some tips to help you build a strong social media presence. Identify your niche, about which we have already talked about. Now you have to create high-quality content. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. This could be anything from blog posts, videos, or even live streams. Try to engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience will build a different level of trust and love between you and your audience. You can do that by responding to comments, answering questions, and sharing user-generated content. Try to use hashtags to reach a wider audience and make your content more discoverable. And collaborate with other influencers. Collaborating with other influencers in your niche will help you to reach a wider audience and build relationships. Once you build an audience who trusts you, you are ready to monetize that attention. Now, let's talk about monetizing your social media presence. There are many ways to do this, but here are a few. Sponsored posts. Partner with brands to create sponsored posts that promote their products or services. Or affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Selling products or services. Sell your own products or services, such as ebooks, courses, or consulting services. YouTube AdSense. Monetize your YouTube channel with ads and earn money from views and clicks. Patreon. Use Patreon to offer exclusive content or services to your fans and earn a recurring income. Based on the trust you have made in your audience, you can use that for selling something. You can have your own merch store. You have to just create a website and put it in your bio on Instagram. And with constant marketing and shoutouts, you have your own brand. A website can be a powerful tool that can help you establish your brand and showcase your skills. Here are some tips to help you build a strong website. Choose a niche-specific domain. Choose a domain that's specific to your niche and easy to remember. Create high-quality content. Create high-quality content that resonates with your audience and showcases your skills. Use a responsive design. Use a responsive design that adapts to different devices and screen sizes. Optimize for SEO. Optimize your website for search engines to improve your visibility and drive organic traffic. Use email marketing. Use email marketing to stay in touch with your audience and promote your products or services. If you can able to use email marketing for your brand, it will give you access to become a millionaire. Because email marketing is a powerful tool that can help you build a loyal following and promote your products or services. Here are some tips to help you build a strong email list. Create a lead magnet. Create a lead magnet. Create a lead magnet that offers value to your audience and encourages them to opt in to your email list. You use a double opt-in. You use a double opt-in to ensure that your subscribers are genuinely interested in your content and services. Segment your list. Segment your list to ensure that you're sending the right content to the right people. You use personalization. You use personalization to make your emails more engaging and relevant to your subscribers. You use automation. You use automation to streamline your email marketing process and save time. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Because affiliate marketing is also a very powerful way to monetize your social media presence and build a passive income. Here are some tips to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you can specialize in. Or research products. Or research products that align with your niche and that you can promote to your audience. Create high-quality content. Create high-quality content that promotes the products and services you're affiliated with. Use a unique referral link. Use a unique referral link to track your affiliate earnings and optimize your campaigns. Disclose your affiliation. Disclose your affiliation with the products or services you're promoting to maintain transparency and trust with your audience. Now, let's talk about building a community. Building a community is a powerful way to build a loyal following and promote your products or services. Here are some tips to help you build a strong community. Create a private Facebook group. Create a private Facebook group where your audience can connect and engage with each other. Or host webinars. Host webinars to educate your audience and build relationships with them. Create a forum where your audience can ask questions and engage with each other. Use live streaming. Use live streaming to connect with your audience in real time and build a sense of community. And keep using email marketing to stay in touch with your audience and promote your products or services. If you have a social media presence and you are using that attention to sell something and you are not giving your effort in marketing, your attention will go to waste. It is crucial to use that social media presence for marketing. Marketing and promoting your business is crucial for attracting customers and establishing a reputation in the market. Here are some tips to help you market and promote your business. Use your social media. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, wherever you have your audience, to share your work and connect with potential customers. Create content that showcases your expertise and unique perspective. This could be anything from blog posts to videos to podcasts. Use influencer marketing to reach a wider audience. This could be anything from partnering with influencers to creating sponsored content. Use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. This could be anything from Google ads to Facebook ads. So these are the various ways you can monetize your skills, passions, and hobbies. The main focus you have to put on is that how can you use your skills and hobbies to garner attention? And when you are able to garner the attention in social media and have built a social media presence, you can use various ways like I explained to you in this video to monetize that attention. I hope this video has helped you. That's all for today. If you find this video informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also comment below what skills and hobbies you have, which you are thinking of monetizing. Thank you for watching the video.